In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the day of the week out of a specific date in Excel. If I type February 15th in this field, Excel will automatically detect it as a date and format it accordingly. The task is to find what day of the week this is. Is it Monday, or Tuesday, or is it a weekend? There is a formula called WEEKDAY in Excel. This formula requires two parameters. First parameter, called the serial number, is the date. Pass the cell containing the date for the serial number. Second parameter is called return type. This will tell Excel if you consider Sunday or Monday as the first day of the week. See the drop-down that shows up while you type the formula. For this example, I'm going to choose 2. Result of this formula is a number. This is the day number of the week, depending on the return type you used. Make this more readable, you can create a lookup table somewhere in your worksheet. The table will have a number from 1 to 7 and the days of the week. Since I chose 2 as the return type for weekday, I will assign 1 to Monday, 2 to Tuesday and finish with 7 for Sunday. Next, I will use VLOOKUP to get the day name for my date. For more details on how to use the VLOOKUP function, there is a video on this channel that gets into more details. For this example, I'll look up the result of the weekday function from B2 in the reference table and get the second column as a response. You can even go further and integrate the weekday function into the VLOOKUP. Instead of using a cell reference as a parameter, I'll use the function itself. This way, I only have to write one function. I can now delete the weekday function from B2. Let's test it out. Changing the date here will give me the weekday name. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support my channel.